more than 10 years, I always held Boon Tong Kee in the highest regard, as the food is usually very good, or at least good.
So when overseas friends recently visited, I brought them to Boon Tong Kee for a taste of what I thought would best represent Singaporean food. 4 words. Si, Pei, Xia, Sui. Super embarrassing for me as a host. Totally regret.
The chicken is overcooked and very stiff. It actually tastes like it was made yesterday and warmed up today. Heck, it was never even warmed up properly in the first place. The skin is already dull, sickly yellow, instead of the crystal clear, beautiful, tender skin we're used to seeing.
It reminds me of those chickens left on the altar for 1 whole day.
And then served after 1 whole day of incense smoking. Stiff, dry, a weird taste. It was so obvious that my friends were just trying to swallow the meat. Just because I have Caucasian people with me, they think tourists are ignorant and don't know the difference between what is presentable and what isn't.